press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dinosaurs were fascinating reptiles that lived on Earth millions of years ago during a time called the Mesozoic era, which lasted from about 230 to 65 million years ago. They came in many shapes and sizes, showing a wide range of adaptations. Some dinosaurs were enormous and could reach lengths of up to 100 feet, while others were small and quick. Dinosaurs are generally divided into two main groups: meat eaters, like the well-known T-Rex, and plant eaters, such as the friendly Triceratops. For over 160 million years, they were the dominant land animals, thriving in different environments, from lush forests to dry areas. However, about 65 million years ago, a big extinction event, likely caused by a massive asteroid, led to the disappearance of most dinosaurs. Despite this, some smaller dinosaurs survived and evolved into modern birds, which are their living relatives today. Through the study of fossils, scientists uncover secrets about these amazing creatures, helping us understand their lives and the history of our planet. Dinosaurs continue to inspire curiosity and wonder in people of all ages. The flat Earth theory is the belief that the Earth is flat rather than a spherical shape. This idea dates back to ancient civilizations, but it gained modern popularity in the late 20th century, particularly through social media and various online communities. Proponents argue that evidence such as the appearance of the horizon, where it looks flat, supports their view. They often reject scientific explanations, claiming that photographs of Earth from space are manipulated or fabricated. Flat earthers also question the concepts of gravity and the curvature of the Earth, proposing alternative explanations for phenomena like day and night or the seasons. Despite extensive scientific evidence, including satellite imagery and physical laws, the flat Earth theory persists among some groups. Critics of the theory highlight that it ignores centuries of scientific research, including physics, astronomy, and geology, which all confirm that the Earth is an oblate spheroid. The theory is often viewed as a conspiracy, illustrating how misinformation can spread in the digital age. Halley's Comet is one of the most famous comets in our solar system, known for its stunning appearance and historical significance. It has an elliptical orbit around the Sun that takes approximately 76 years to complete, making it visible from Earth roughly once in a lifetime. The next anticipated appearance will be in 2061, and many astronomy enthusiasts are eagerly looking forward to this event. During its last close approach in 1986, Halley's Comet was extensively studied by several spacecraft, including the European Space Agency's Giotto mission, which provided valuable data about its structure and composition. This comet is primarily made of ice, dust, and gases, creating a beautiful glowing tail when it approaches the Sun. Halley's Comet has a rich history, observed for thousands of years, and linked to significant events like the Battle of Hastings in 1066. The upcoming return in 2061 is expected to be particularly bright, offering a fantastic opportunity for skywatchers and scientists to learn more about this iconic celestial object. Phone addiction, also known as smartphone addiction, refers to excessive use of mobile devices that can negatively impact daily life and well-being. Many people find themselves constantly checking their phones for notifications, social media updates, or messages, often prioritizing screen time over face-to-face interactions. This compulsive behavior can lead to various issues, including decreased productivity, poor sleep quality, and increased feelings of anxiety and loneliness. Research shows that the constant presence of smartphones can trigger dopamine release in the brain, reinforcing the urge to check devices frequently. This cycle can make it challenging for individuals to disconnect, even in social settings or while spending time with loved ones. Additionally, excessive phone use can contribute to problems like eye strain, neck pain, and reduced physical activity. To combat phone addiction, experts recommend setting specific limits on screen time, using apps to track usage, and establishing phone-free zones or times. Mindfulness practices and engaging in offline activities can also help individuals regain control over their technology use and improve their overall quality of life. The invention of the first practical electric light bulb is attributed to Thomas Edison, who developed it in 1879, while earlier inventors, such as Humphrey Davy and Joseph Swan, made significant contributions to electric lighting. Edison's design was the first to be commercially viable and widely adopted. His bulb used a carbon filament, which allowed it to glow for many hours without burning out quickly, making it far superior to previous designs. Edison and his team conducted extensive experiments to find the right materials and vacuum conditions for the bulb, eventually achieving success with a carbonized bamboo filament. This breakthrough not only led to the development of the light bulb, but also to the creation of a complete electrical lighting system, including generators and intricate wiring. Edison's invention revolutionized the way people lived and worked, allowing for longer working hours and safer homes. The light bulb became a powerful symbol of innovation, leading to further advancements in electrical engineering and technology, ultimately shaping the modern world as we know it today. Its impact can still be felt in every aspect of our daily lives. Napoleon Bonaparte, born in 1769 in Corsica, rose to prominence during the French Revolution. Initially a military officer, he gained fame for his strategic brilliance in battles, quickly climbing the ranks. In 1799, he staged a coup d'état, becoming the first consul of France and later declaring himself emperor in 1804. Napoleon implemented significant reforms, including the Napoleonic Code, which established civil law and modernized the legal system. His military campaigns expanded French territory across Europe, leading to victories in battles like Austerlitz and Jena. However, his ambition led to costly conflicts, including the disastrous invasion of Russia in 1812, which severely weakened his forces. In 1814, he was defeated and exiled to the island of Elba, but he escaped and returned to power for a brief period known as the 100 Days. Ultimately, he was defeated at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815 and exiled to St. Helena, where he died in 1821. Napoleon's legacy as a military genius and reformer continues to influence modern Europe. Pangaea was a supercontinent that existed around 335 million years ago, bringing together almost all of Earth's landmasses into one vast expanse. This massive land formation allowed for the sharing of flora and fauna, leading to rich biodiversity. Pangaea began to break apart approximately 175 million years ago during the Mesozoic era, driven by tectonic plate movements. As it split, the land separated into two main supercontinents, Laurasia in the northern hemisphere and Gondwana in the southern hemisphere. Over millions of years, these landmasses continued to fragment, ultimately giving rise to the 7 continents we recognize today: Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, and Australia. The separation of Pangaea significantly shaped the Earth's geology and climate, leading to the evolution of distinct ecosystems and species. Today, the legacy of Pangaea is evident in the similarities between continents, such as matching coastlines and shared fossil records, highlighting the interconnectedness of our planet's geological history.
Climate change refers to long-term alterations in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions on Earth, primarily driven by human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes release significant amounts of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to a gradual increase in global temperatures, commonly known as global warming. As a result, we are witnessing more frequent and severe weather events, including hurricanes, droughts, and floods, which disrupt ecosystems and threaten food security. Melting polar ice caps and rising sea levels are further consequences, endangering coastal communities and habitats. Additionally, climate change poses serious risks to biodiversity, as many species struggle to adapt to rapidly changing environments. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation and commitment to sustainable practices, including transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and promoting conservation efforts. Collective action is essential to mitigate its impacts and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, including rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater, making them harmful to human health and the environment. This pollution is primarily caused by human activities such as industrial discharges, agricultural runoff, and improper waste disposal. Chemicals, heavy metals, plastics, and pathogens can enter water sources, leading to detrimental effects on aquatic ecosystems and drinking water quality. For instance, excess nutrients from fertilizers can cause algal blooms, which deplete oxygen levels and harm fish populations. Additionally, contaminated water can lead to serious health issues in humans, including gastrointestinal diseases, reproductive problems, and neurological disorders. Addressing water pollution requires a combination of regulations, community awareness, and technological innovations to improve waste management and treatment processes. By adopting sustainable practices and protecting our water resources, we can safeguard ecosystems and ensure clean, safe water for current and future generations. Tackling water pollution is essential for maintaining biodiversity and promoting overall public health. Waste management is a critical process that involves the collection, transportation, processing, and disposal of various types of waste to minimize their impact on the environment and public health. Effective waste management includes the separation of waste into different categories, such as organic waste, plastics, paper, glass, e-waste, and metals. Organic waste, including food scraps and yard debris, can be composted to create nutrient-rich soil, reducing landfill use and greenhouse gas emissions. Plastics, which take hundreds of years to decompose, require recycling or proper disposal to prevent pollution. Paper can be recycled to save trees and reduce energy consumption. Glass is also recyclable and can be reused indefinitely without losing quality. E-waste, including old electronics, contains hazardous materials and should be disposed of through specialized recycling programs to prevent toxic substances from leaching into the environment. Metals, like aluminum and steel, are highly recyclable and can be repurposed to save energy and resources. By implementing comprehensive waste management strategies that address these various materials, communities can promote sustainability, conserve resources, and protect the environment for future generations.